Hi class, so today is Algebra 1 area method video for today's homework. We'll have 3 boxes plus an extension. Our first box is how to read area tiles. So area tiles are just tiles with a certain amount of area in them, right? So for this first one, and we know area is length times width. So 1 times 1, if I shade this in, give me an area of 1, right? This one, 1 times x. When I shade that in, I will have an area of x. 1 times x is equal to x. This one, x times x is x squared, right? So when I shade this in, I'll have an area of x squared. And that's how we read area tiles. So our first example of multiplying using the area method, we have to multiply x plus 2 times x plus 1. So first we need to represent what these are in area tiles. So x plus 2, we have 1x, right? And then we have 2 1s. This x and the 2 1s represents x plus 2. Now we have x plus 1. So we have 1x, and we have 1 1. All right, so now what do? Well, watch this. When you multiply x times x, we get x squared. X times 1, we get x. X times 1 again, x. X times 1, we get x. 1 times 1, get 1, and then 1 times 1, we get 1. So what we should have is we have 1x squared, so x squared. We have 1, 2, 3 x's, so plus 3x, and we have 2 1s, so plus 2. So this should give us what x plus 2 times x plus 1 equals. All right, so now we have a u-try. I want you to do the same thing that I just did. Multiply using the area method, the area tiles. Multiply x plus 3 times x plus 2. All right, go ahead and do that now. All right, so you should have started off with something like this. Should have got the same thing that I did. And now watch. We have x squared, x times 1, got x times 1, x times 1, and last one, x times 1. Now we've got 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. We keep going. Got another one, and another one, and another one. So you should have then got, we have 1x squared, so put it here. X squared, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s, so plus 6. So when you multiply those, you get this. Okay, now here's our extension. How can we use the algebra tiles to multiply x minus 2 plus x times x plus 3? So what do you notice that's different about this problem? And how do you think this will impact our method? I want you guys to think about this for next class, okay?